Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the top 10 animals with incredible superpowers. Number 10. Froghopper. The froghopper can accelerate at 4000 ms² over 2 mm as it jumps. They can jump up to 100 times their own length. If an average man could jump this long, he would be able to cover about 177 meter distance in a single jump. Number 9. Peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon are some of the most widespread birds in the world. They have a body length of 34 to 58 cm and wingspan from 74 to 120 cm. Their diet consists of small to medium-sized birds. The most amazing things about this breed of birds is its dazzling speed. It has frequently been seen flying at the speed of whopping 320 km per hour. Number 8. Mimic octopus. Mimicry is quite common survival strategy in nature. There are severe flies that have black-yellow stripes. As bees, some animal species can change their skin color. It can mimic number of different sea creatures with the tiniest possible detail. It's not known how many different animal species it can imitate, but it's reported to mimic up to 15 different species and all of them are poisonous. Number 7. The electric eel. Electric eel have 3 pairs of abdominal organs responsible for producing electricity, and these glands make up 80% of its entire body. The result is its ability to generate 2 types of electric organ discharge, high voltage and low voltage. When eel finds a prey, its brain sends a signal through nervous system to electrolyte. Number 6. Dung beetle. Dung beetles are quite interesting animals. They navigate by polarization pattern of moonlight. Currently, they are only non-animals that can navigate themselves using cluster of bright stars or Milky Way. But they landed on this list for their ability to pull the weight 1141 times heavier than their own body weight. That makes them strongest animal on the planet Earth. Number 5. Tardigrade. The thing that makes these micro animals so incredible is that they are virtually indestructible. They can survive everywhere and anywhere, from mountain peaks to deepest ocean, from the driest deserts to the coldest Antarctic. They can survive extreme conditions that would be fatal to nearly all life forms on Earth. They can withstand temperature ranging from -272 to 150 degrees Celsius. Number 4. The platypus. The platypus baffled the 18th century European when they first discovered this creature. I mean, how would you react seeing an egg-laying, venomous mammals that lives in water and has duck bill, beaver tail and otter foot? For a very long time, the existence of this animal was declared to be an hoax due to its weird appearance. Number 3. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp have many kind of abilities that are considered beyond anything on the earth, but the most impressive organs that these animals possesses are their eyes. Their eyes carry 16 different types of color receptive cones. If you compare that to humans, we only have 3. Number 2. The axolotl. There are several non-animals that can heal fatal wounds and sometimes regenerate their damaged body parts. It's capable of regenerating entire lost appendages and vital structures in a period of months. They can regrow lost limbs, tail and several internal organs. Number 1. Jellyfish. Jellyfish is a roaming ocean for possibly more than 700 million years, making them oldest living multi-organ animals. They are mostly transparent to human eyes and their body contains 95 to 98% water. There are 3 known species of jellyfish that can perhaps live forever. Jellyfish have discovered a way to reverse their aging process by making some modification in the DNA. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.